I'm Grant Batty, and today I'm making a pizza that combines shawarma flavours with beautifully charred veg, and even better, it's vegan. This is my sweet and smoky shawarma pizza.
I'm going to start by slicing the aubergines in half and scoring them with a knife. Cover them in olive oil and shawarma paste. When this aubergine cooks, it will absorb all of these wonderful Middle Eastern flavours. Finally, add some chopped garlic. Fire up your oven and then place the aubergines onto your grizzler pan. Cook until tender, letting them char and blacken, which adds an incredible caramelised flavour. Set aside to cool. We'll use these later to make a wonderful tomato and aubergine sauce. Next up, we're going to char the rest of our vegetables. We've got peppers, tomatoes and cauliflower. Cover them in olive oil and even more shawarma paste. Char on your grizzler pan until they're fully cooked and blackened. This should take about 5 minutes. Next up is our sauce. Thinly slice some red onion and garlic and saute in a pan with olive oil until cooked. Add the turmeric and shawarma paste and cook off the spices, stirring until combined. Add a tin of San Marzano tomatoes and the flesh of the charred aubergines. Mix to combine and then let it simmer away, allowing all of those amazing flavours to come together. Set aside to cool along with the charred vegetables. This pizza goes really well with a zingy citrus and mint yogurt. Finally slice your mint and mix with coconut yogurt, garlic and lemon zest. I love serving this on the side. Now let's make some pizza. Place the dough ball on a lightly floured work surface, pushing the air from the centre of your dough ball outwards towards the edge with your fingers. Stretch the dough out to form a 12-inch base. I like to use the back of my hands to gently lift the dough up and pull outwards. Place the charred aubergine sauce in the middle of the pizza and spread the sauce out evenly from the centre to the edge of the pizza. Top with the charred vegetables and a generous helping of roasted pistachios and hazelnuts. Fire your pizza in your Ooni, turning regularly to ensure an even bake. I always aim for a temperature between 400 to 430 degrees Celsius and cook for approximately 60 to 90 seconds. Once cooked, finish with pomegranate seeds.
This is a feel-good pizza. It's so bright and colourful. The shawarma spices add a lovely depth of flavour. Make sure you serve it with the citrus herb yogurt on the side. And for this recipe and more, check it out at ooni.com.